Let's talk about risk. I think risk gets a bad rep. First of all, what is it? Risk is the degree to which we are uncertain that an investment in a particular decision will result in the desired outcome. Now, that desired outcome could be increased revenue or decreased costs, just to name a few. What we're really saying is, if I'm going to spend time or dollars on this, how confident are we that this is likely to pay off? If we think it's not very likely to pay off, that's a big risk. If we think it's very likely to pay off, now that's a smaller risk. Businesses take both kinds of risks. Oftentimes, they take a mix of smaller and bigger risks that hopefully balance each other out, so that even if the bigger risks don't pay off, we can still count on our smaller risks to help us progress forward. So there we have it. Risk isn't bad. It's a strategic decision-making tool. We can use risk statements to structure our communication, to negotiate with the business and advocate for or against a particular activity or approach. These are very similar to problem statements, only for risk. Here's the template. If we do or don't do this, we believe this will be the result. We anticipate this to be a high, medium, or low risk to the business for these reasons. And we include supporting metrics. We anticipate this to be a high, medium, or low risk to users for these reasons. And we include supporting metrics and qualitative insights. As a result, we recommend this approach. As you can see, we need some specific pieces of information to be able to fill this out so that our statement is tied to concrete evidence. Let's imagine a real scenario. Imagine you're working on an e-commerce website and leadership just informed you and your team that they want to require users to create an account before they can browse products on the site to enable personalization and drive loyalty. Here's how we might provide UX input using a risk statement. If we require users to sign up before they can shop, we believe revenue will decrease. We anticipate this to be a high risk to the business for these reasons. From our analytics, we know users often browse specific product pages before making a purchase, which would no longer be possible. Further, a significant number of our customers do not choose to create an account. We anticipate this to be a high risk to users for these reasons. From our research, we know users prefer guest checkout because they perceive it as safer and faster than creating an account. As a result, we recommend increasing the salience of our Create Account option on the home page instead of requiring users to create an account before browsing. We can see all the key parts of the risk statement present. A clear, strong, and evidence-based approach to communicating about risks in UX will get the attention and required buy-in that you need from product and business team partners.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our virtual UX conferences that offer live hands-on UX training.